How to enable or disable WhatsApp voice and video calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable voice and video calls on WhatsApp. Whether you want to stop incoming calls or turn them back on, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open your phone settings. Open the settings on your phone and scroll down and find apps. And in there you can simply tap on manage apps, and now you can locate the WhatsApp from the list, or you can even search for it. And once you find the WhatsApp, tap on it to open. Now we need to adjust WhatsApp permissions. So to do that, simply tap on app permissions, and here you will see options like microphone and camera. If you want to disable calls, select don't allow from both microphone and camera, and this will prevent WhatsApp to use your microphone and camera for both voice call and video calls. And now you can simply try opening the WhatsApp and try making a voice call or video call. And if the permission is disabled, you will get an error message saying WhatsApp need access to your microphone or camera. So it means that you have successfully disabled the voice call or video calls on WhatsApp. Now, to enable the permissions again, you can simply tap on any icon, either it's voice call or video calls, and you can simply tap on continue, and from there you can simply tap on while using the app options, and it will again allow you to contact with other person. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how you can enable or disable the voice call or video calls on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.